Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily cancel a Patreon subscription. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on their official website. I'm on this reputable website. So to cancel a membership on mobile web on their mobile website, just go to the patreon.com website, tap on the hamburger menu, 3 lines at the top left, select the settings link from the menu, then select memberships, and then you can find whatever creator you have subscribed to, and then you can just click on them and tap cancel cancel membership like this, and then you just have to confirm the cancellation, and that's how you do it. So you can choose to stay connected as a free member if you want to, or disable the free member option, tap save and continue, and that's about it. If you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.